many. We're on our way to Flawless. We just got to the airport. We just got through airport security. I'll check on you guys later.
I've had hair. No, I've had hair.
So we just got done race car driving, which was what you guys saw before, which was a lot of fun. I came in 5th both times. What'd you come in?
Last.
Last one time.
And then 8th.
And then 8th.
I couldn't see without my glasses the first time.
True, true.
I was driving blind.
Yeah, you had a disadvantage there.
Lori yelling at me. I was getting flagged. But it's okay.
But right now we're at
Disney Springs.
So yeah, we're gonna look around now. Definitely my favorite section of the store, right here.
Hi, we're in Disney World.
Woo! Hey guys, so we are currently on our way to Disney. Yesterday was so much fun. We had like the best time. We wound up doing the go-karts like I told you guys, and then we went to Disney Springs, which was awesome. It is now day 2 of our Florida trip, and we are on our way to Disney World. It's like a year and a half now where Jake proposed to me here, so we're really excited to go back. I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Later. Jake's never gone before. He's nervous. So it's the Riddick, you liked it?
Yeah!
He was so
I was nervous for nothing.
It was awesome.
And I just gotta pee really bad. Having a good time, Mo?
I'm having a great time.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I'm having a really good time. Are you having a good time, sir? That's good.
That's where Jake proposed to me.
I was shitting my pants.
Yes, you were. Hey guys, we got to see Jake's brother Keith, which is awesome. He's here now too, so he's gonna be in the vlog for a little bit. So this is officially day 3 now of our trip. So for today, we're just gonna be going to St. Petersburg Beach. See you guys in a little bit. It is now, what time is it? 12:04, 12:05 now. The time just changed. And I am, how many glasses of wine in? 3? 4?
You're a bottle.
One of the two. I'm a bottle in of wine. And what are you guys playing?
Craps.
And they're playing craps. Let's do this.
Let's stay in Florida.
Last day. So it is now our last day in Florida, and we're just back here at Disney Springs. There were a few souvenirs we wanted to get before we went back home, and I don't know, we just weren't ready to leave Disney yet, so we're gonna go ahead and walk around, find some cool stuff, and we'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Alright, so we got some good stuff at Disney. I got that BMO cup that I was showing you guys earlier that I'm so excited about because I love Big Hero 6 and BMO is one of my favorite Disney characters ever. You got a shot glass, right?
Yeah, I got a shot glass. I wanted a Lumiere, but he was too expensive. Maybe next time.
Maybe next time. So right now we're just heading back to Jake's mom's place, and then we're gonna get some Taco Bell and then head to the airport since this is our last day. And we're very sad about it. But we'll be back soon. We're talking about next spring break. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. hate how my glasses always show up in this thing. Dang it. That's alright, I'll do it without my glasses. Gonna need my coffee. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. So we're officially back from our trip now. We had the best time this weekend. It was so much fun. It was definitely what we needed. It was so nice to see Jake's mom again. That was so much fun. And then we got to see Keith again, which was awesome. He's always such a fun time. Now we're back home. I had my first day of school. So yeah, back to life right now. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this Disney vlog I decided to put up here. I think I'm gonna call it like my Disney travel diary. Something like that, whatever I decide to call this video. Please like and subscribe if you guys haven't already, and have a great rest of your night or day wherever you guys may be. I'll see you guys in my next video. And remember, stay weird, my friends. Bye, you guys.